Welcome to my channel MHM Background. Here you can learn how to quickly create different backgrounds footage in the After Effects program. Also, on this channel I will post small education videos of various areas helping you learning something new to use in your work or hobby. Important to know creating some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. I will give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their usage. Want to remind that this channel's owner is self-taught and don't have professional design education. However, my videos can't save you much time because you mostly call, skip theory and start practicing right away. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within co-op of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. I've spent hour 300 seconds to make this video. Thanks for appreciation. I mean like and comment. Now. On this video I will show all the button pressed. You can slow it down via YouTube player. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. On my second channel MHM Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only.